Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, now by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's move to this settings bar and tap to the second from the left button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and in the capture category at the third position we have volume key functions. Let's tap here, and now we can decide to use this as volume, shoot which is now, or zoom. So let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.